You're watching Thrifty Kaniffy. Hello everyone, welcome to Thrifty Kaniffy. I'm going to be taking a look at an older Rough Ryder today. Comes in this style box with the horse and the RI spelling. Now this isn't the exact box because the seller did not have the correct box, but this is RR048 and should be the same style box. So what we have here is a 3.5 inch Canoe. This is their standard size Canoe from Rough Ryder, and this is an older one. You can tell by the shield that this is an older version of the amber jig boned Canoe. And again, this is the standard size. You've got the nickel silver bolsters on either end that are just plain. There's no rings or any RT or anything like that. You've got brass pins, a cigar shaped shield with the script in the middle. And then you've got the liners here, brass, and then the stainless springs. You can see there's maybe just a little schmutz there that could probably be taken out. Oh, yeah, I'm already removing it. This looks like there's something from buffing that got stuck in there. And really, just some really minor gapping. Nothing really major. And these handles meet up really well to the scale, to the liner there. Nice smooth transitions throughout here. Again, you can see the quality of that amber jig bone material I like so much. There's the other side. So it's really well constructed, and the handles are really nice color transition here. Get this tan into the darker brown. Blades, not a perfect centering. This one's a little tight to the side here, but it's not scraping or anything when you close it, and they definitely don't interfere with one another. But construction's pretty good. So again, this is a 3.5 inch closed length. Okay. And then when we open up these blades, we can take a look at what we've got going on in here. Main blade is a spear point blade. You've got just the plain nail nick there with the Rough Ryder script on the tang, and then the blade etch. It says Rough Ryder. Let's see if I can get it somewhere where you can see it. There we go. Rough Ryder in script, and then the anvil that says tested sharp next to it. Again, that Rough Ryder tang. And no swedging here, just plain. It's a good look at the edge there. Now this is a just over 2.5, so let's call it 2 5/8 inch total length of the blade, and then you got a cutting edge of about 2 1/4 inch. Just a beautiful style blade on these Canoes. Now this one just has a lazy aft stop, not a legitimate one, but that works plenty well. It has a nice snap on the close. Maybe just slightly light on the pull, maybe about a 5.5. And then your secondary blade is this pin blade. Pin blade's even a little bit lighter on the pull, maybe about a 4.5. But you get the nice clean lines of that blade as well. No match strike pull or swedge or anything like that. Nice clean edge on this one. And nice and pointy. So that pin blade measured right at about 2 inches full length, and about 1 3/4 inches cutting edge. A little bit of a sloppy, half stop there, but still good snap on the close. Just a little bit lighter than I'd like to see on the pull, but overall still pretty good. Again, that handle material, I just can't get over how good that looks. And just, no major gapping or anything like that. Construction's really tight. So, yeah, it's this older style you've heard me talk about before that have the straight bolsters, which I like for the Canoe design. Just give it a nice clean look. The shield's nice and not too overwhelming, and this works well with the lines of the knife. Gives it a nice clean look. And I really like the cleanliness of that spear point blade. That gives it just a really classic look. And beautiful blade shape, beautiful handle material, clean lines on the design. So I really recommend this if you can find this one on the secondary market. Now I think that they make a version of this with the bow tie shield that's a little more common, but if you can find this one or whatever version you like, they are pretty sweet little knives. Let's take another look at that pen blade by itself here. Give you a nice clean look at the arc of it. So yeah, just a really beautiful, well put together, well designed knife. No frills, kind of keeping it basic. And I kind of long for Rough Ryder to kind of get back to this sort of mentality with the knives. Maybe they will, and I really appreciate this style of design here. But that's going to do it for me on this one, guys. I hope you appreciated the review, and if you did, make sure you leave a comment, and I will be glad to respond. Also, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. And if you can ring that bell and make yourself aware of when videos drop, that would be fantastic. We're coming up on 1,000 subscriptions, and we'll be doing a giveaway. At that point, we'll be doing a lot of special things, and I'll have an announcement about that with more details in the future. But I just want to thank you guys for all you've done to support the channel, and hope you have a fantastic day, and take care.